In today's video, I'm going to teach you Salesforce Trailhead tutorial, how to use it. Trailhead is Salesforce's free gamified learning platform, and it's designed to take you from beginner to job ready with hands-on practice. We'll walk through a clear learning path so you know exactly where to start and how to keep building momentum. Begin by creating your free Trailhead account. It only takes a moment, and once you're in, set your role and skill goals on your profile so Trailhead can recommend the right content. This helps focus your time on the modules that matter most for your learning path. Start with the Salesforce Platform Basics and CRM Navigation modules. These give you a guided tour of the interface, key terms, and the most common tasks. Take your time with the quizzes and hands-on challenges. They're short, and every badge you earn builds your confidence and your public profile. Next, dive into data modeling. Think of Salesforce objects like spreadsheets with rows as records and columns as fields. You'll learn how standard objects like accounts and contacts relate to each other and how to create custom objects and relationships to mirror real business processes. Understanding lookups versus master detail relationships early on will make everything else in Salesforce click. From there, master modern automation. Focus on Flow Builder to automate repetitive work like updating fields, sending notifications, or creating records when certain conditions are met. Start with simple record-triggered flows, test in a safe environment, name everything clearly, and document what your flow does. Keep an eye on existing automations to avoid duplicates and make troubleshooting easier. When you're comfortable, specialize in AI and Data Cloud. Begin with beginner-friendly modules that explain how AI features surface insights directly in Salesforce and how Data Cloud unifies data from multiple sources. Learn the basics of data mapping, identity resolution, and responsible AI use. The goal here is to understand concepts first, then practice with guided challenges so you develop real intuition. As you build skills, get certified, and manufacture experience. Choose an entry certification like the administrator exam, use the official exam guide, and practice with realistic scenarios. Super badges are especially valuable. They simulate end-to-end projects and show employers you can apply what you've learned. Build a simple portfolio highlighting the problems you solved and the results you achieved. Finally, join local community groups and the online Trailblazer community. Attend meetups, ask for feedback on your projects, and connect with mentors. You'll hear about hidden job openings and learn how others broke into the ecosystem. Stay consistent, track your progress on your Trailhead profile, and celebrate each badge. With this roadmap, Trailhead becomes a clear path from learning to real-world impact.